In this video, we're going to learn how to do animations inside of Canva. So I'm going to type in animation into the search bar, and there are lots of different things we can do here. We can do a speed painter. You can turn your photos into engaging videos. That's what I want to do with this one. So we're going to do image animate. So we're going to use a new design. We'll go ahead and do a YouTube thumbnail since it's already populated there. So we're going to select an image to animate, and you can also choose the motion length of the animation, in seconds, the number of loops. You can choose parallax, the camera path. Pretty awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my uploads, and then I'm going to grab something out here that I think would be really cool as an animation. So I'm going to do this lemonade right here. So I'm actually going to remove the background first because I don't need all of that other stuff there. So, okay, let's go ahead and go back over to the apps here and look for the image animation. So I'm going to select the image. There it is. It has the motion range. We're going to go up to a 10 just to see what it can do. And then we're going to go ahead and click generate, and we're going to come back and see what this looks like. Okay, so this is pretty wild. It took about 2 minutes to create. So I'm going to go ahead and click add to design. I am curious what it would have looked like with the extremeness set a little more subtle, because this looks pretty wild, but amazing, right? So I'm gonna pop this open here. We're gonna zoom in on this blueberry lemonade. And let's go ahead and play that. Wow, that looks so cool. So I am gonna make it so it fits into the whole screen so it doesn't look weird, right? Maybe. Okay, so anyway, you get to see what the animation can look like here. It's pretty effective. I tried to do it on my phone last night and it didn't really work very well, but it's pretty cool. You can hit play. Look at that. Really trippy and wild. So anyway, thanks for watching.